Namaskaram, I am Dr. Aditya from Ishka Ayurveda Naturopathy and Yoga Clinic here at HSR. The best of Ayurveda, Naturopathy and Yoga put together under one roof. So have you been noticing few weight gain because of the lockdown? Probably because of an irregular lifestyle, irregular sleeping habits, irregular of eating habits, at the same time no physical activity, then we call it as increased weight, or we can call it as obesity. Obesity is a major ailment for majority of the diseases such as heart attack, liver function and also your kidney functions. So that is the reason why you need to check your weight. So when I ask people about their obesity concerns, they say that it runs in their family. Ironically, nobody in their family actually runs. So the modern intervention talks about bariatric surgeries, they talk about diets such as keto diet, they also talk about just physical activity. These are not efficient. Diets such as keto diet on a long run is actually going to have a negative implications on your health. But scientifically proven and tested techniques such as Ayurveda detox, cleansing, naturopathy, specific oriented diets and also yoga will definitely help you in gathering much confidence in losing weight. So let me give you a few tricks and hacks which you can actually do at your home without any medical intervention. One such, which is also research oriented, is breathing through your right nostril. This is what yoga calls this as Surya Anuloma Viloma. So you have to just breathe in through your right nostril, exhale through your right nostril, keeping your left nostril completely closed. This makes sure that your body's metabolic activity increases, thus making sure that all the other metabolic channels get activated. Similarly, you can do something for your diet as well. So just incorporate majority of your diet with high fat and protein rather than high carbohydrates and protein. Avoid as much as possible all the carbohydrates such as rice and wheat. The more you take fat and protein, the more benefit you get out of it. So make sure that your food doesn't incorporate much of carbohydrate. It is a necessity, yes, but not on a major platform. So see to it that you cut down or restrict on your carbohydrate diet. See to it that you are shifting your diet for more of protein and fat. The body will take care of itself. So these are the few hacks which is available, which you can do it no matter what is your way of life or what is your way of prakriti. So here at Ishka Healthcare Clinic, we try to customize each and every requisites of your body. The doshas, the prakriti, the gunas and everything. So without any hindrance in your mind, come and consult our doctors, our experts, so that you can have a peace of mind in reducing your weight without much trouble. You can also avail our home care online packages, which is customizable according to your needs, which includes consultation, specific diet chart, specific asanas or yoga care, respiratory care, at the same time treatments and therapies which is useful in controlling obesity. You can walk into our clinic in HSR Layout, Bangalore for all your customized treatments and therapies. We follow all the COVID-19 protocols. So without any hindrance in your mind, just walk into our clinic. Do your physical activity, stay healthy. Thank you.